Welcome to the SSB Outlet. Today we have a 2010 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic. This touring bike has 30,700 miles on it roughly and will be sold as is. Let's take our walk around it, show it to you, then we'll fire it up. This bike comes with custom pinstriping. Matching pedals, driver footboards, grips and levers. Has a tank bra on it. Also comes with a luggage rack. Cup holder, grips, levers, shifter, footboards again, engine cover. $30,678. That first rough start was operator error. So, this Harley Davidson Ultra will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB Outlet.